How to change your name on HFM. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are an HFM mobile and wondering how to change your display name or your nickname, then here's how you do it in a quick, safe and easy way. First things first, launch open the HFM mobile app on your device. And once you do that, from the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom left corner. From the expanded menu, choose My Profile. Under My Profile, select Personal Information. Now you'll be able to see the nickname option. Go ahead and change that according to your preference if you really want to change your nickname. After you change your nickname, you can tap on Save Changes at the bottom. If you ever want to change the first and last name, then you will not be able to do it once you create an account for HFM. But you will be able to change your nickname with the process I just showed you. So that's it. Don't forget to save the changes from the bottom to save your changes, whatever changes you made for your nickname, and that's it. That is how you can easily change your nickname or your name on HFM Mobile. It is a small tweak that can make your account feel more yours. Take a moment, pick a name you like, and enjoy the more personalized experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.